Theme Parkinator. I'm doing a video at the Disneyland Resort, and let's get on with it. First, right off the bat, I would like you guys to spread the word about protecting Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. It's one of my favorite rides at the park, and it'd be very well appreciated, and it will go down for generations to come. Hashtag protect the toad. As you see, the Mad Hatter is closed for refurbishment, but still people could go into it, so that's cool. Castle's under some construction right now still, and I don't know when it's going to open up again, but I hope before Star Wars Land opens. Here's a closer up image of the castle. Still that scaffolding right there? Yeah, but this is it's probably going to be what it looks like, and then again, that looks really cool. That color, I liked the tile. But yeah, still castle's under refurbishment. Oh, here's the back of the castle right now while it's under construction. Wow, that is that's interesting. That's something. Let's go on the Mad Hatter and I'll tell you some more updates later. As you see, stroller parking's a big issue. So now they're making strolling rules, so 31 inches wide and 52 inches long. The Astro Orbiter is now open again after a major refurb, so it's back for business. And now if you want to ride it, you can. Pizza Planet, you still see there's a lot of scaffolding right there. I would highly suggest the nachos at Rancho de Zocalo. It's just been announced that Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway will be coming to Mickey's Toontown and replacing the Gag Factory. Here is some of the concept art for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and it's coming to Mickey's Toontown. Thanks for watching.